Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Dan here on the med today. Might move. It's a busy day, it's also a very hot day. I was trying to get the sort of statue on the roundabout in, but yeah, we are kind of by the seafront car park, so it is kind of making it hard with cars constantly coming in and out. Now I'll show you. So there it is, guys. La Paz, La Pau. Weirdest name for a statue ever. You've got the Bulldog across the road there. And of course, Mike, is it still the best place for fish and chips?
Get in there on a Friday. Tell them about Benidorm Mad Mike sent you.
You've heard it here first.
Oh,
Benidorm Crazy Marcus sent you. You've heard it here first, guys. The Bulldog, the best place for fish and chips in Benidorm. Only a tenner, is it?
yeah, it's tenner, I think.
Yeah, a
Best
tenner.
full price since the last time we've been in.
There it is, guys, across the road, corner of Avenida Europa. Get yourself in there for some great nosh. And of course, you got the biggest car park in Benidorm, the Lefante Beach car park. It is free parking, I believe, but I wouldn't really quote me on that. It is quite a dodgy car park because it is used as a sort of hiding spot where the cars or fans get parked from the potato pecan or the fake cocktail con. Poster there for Benidorm Palace. Brand new show, fire. Pizza for you as well across the road there if you fancy a bit of pizza. And we've got a nice cocktail bar as well. Monkey Beach. Gift shop there. And of course the other sort of big toy shop in Benidorm, Toy Planet. Some of the stuff there. Hot Wheels as well as Tech Decks. Tech Decks are $5 for each. Not bad that. Bluetooth speaker there that lights up as well by looks of it. €60. Probably get one cheaper on Benidorm Market. You've of course got all your Funko Pops as well, which seems to be a craze at the moment, people collecting them all. And of course, here's Tony Roma's. It does appear shut, but I mean, it's quite a big place actually. I'm surprised at how big it is. And there's a menu. I'm not really going to get it all in, but I will just say this, it does seem a wee bit pricey. I mean, scampi €13.95, baby back ribs €20.95. Yeah, a bit too pricey, but I imagine it's just sort of worth the money that I reckon the food's probably gonna be that good. Onion rings, the best onion rings ever. €9.95. I'll have to put that to the test one day maybe. I do love me onion rings. And now we are just gonna carry on with our stroll along Avenida Mediterranea. As Mike said in a video of his earlier, of course if you get too hot down on the seafront, just come a street back, come on to Avenida Mediterranea. You still will have the sort of sunshine and the warmth of the sun, but you will have a nice breeze as well. Got Jolly's ice cream shop there, that used to be the Haagen-Dazs ice cream shop as well. I've never actually tried that. Saying it's a sports bar as well now. And they don't just do ice cream, they do pizzas and sandwiches. Making me hungry, that now. New supermarket there. And of course a sushi shop. And Angel Feet foot spa or mind soften and repair weary feet with our gentle Garawuffa fish for an organic and massaging pedicure. If you're wanting something like that, I will highly recommend Dr. Fish down off the Mediterranean in that little square there, run by where Ink Central is. Very good. And of course, Sweet Lamb with all them awesome neon signs. Got Bowser, the Avengers logo, a UFO as well. You're welcome. I think that could be a question. Who thinks there is actually existence out there other than us? More shops down here, guys. Robert's jewellery shop as well, jewellery and watches. Mind you though, who still wears a watch nowadays? When I mean, your phone does pretty much the same thing a watch can do, really. Finish off with the M23 Med23 pub. I'm gonna find somewhere to flip myself back round. There we are. So, thanks for watching yet again another brilliant video, guys. If you do want to support the channel, I do of course have my Buy Me a Coffee link down below, as well as my brand new book, Sun, Sand and Fiesta, Your Ultimate Benidorm Handbook. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already done so. What I have noticed is, on general, most of my views come from unsubscribed people. I mean, why wouldn't you want to subscribe to me? The greatest YouTuber in Benidorm. Remember that, guys. I told the truth, I tell it how it is, I show you people what you want. Anyway, guys, it's another day in the office, it's another day in paradise. Adios.